ISim provides a number of rich and powerful features for verification and debugging of your design. For example, you can use ISim's convenient search feature to find instances, processes, and simulation objects by name and type. The search results window lists the different found objects along with their corresponding icon denoting its type. These icons also help you visually identify the type of object. These icons are not only used in the search results, but everywhere else in the ISim GUI, including the Instances window, Objects window, Waveform, and other windows. We can use the Integrated Text Viewer to review the HDL associated with any block or object by using the Go to Source Context menu option. Using the text editor, you can set bookmarks to quickly jump from one section of code to another. You can also use the integrated text editor to set breakpoints. When setting a breakpoint on executable lines of the HDL, the simulator will stop the simulation when it executes the line. This is a very powerful feature both for verification and debugging of designs, as it allows you to systematically step through your HDL. Tooltips allow for quick review of the current status of traceable simulation objects. This feature allows for quick review of the status of the signal while reviewing your code. To view a tooltip, just hover the mouse over a traced object. Enhancements to the Wave window have made verification via graphical representation more efficient. Drag and drop features allow you to quickly add simulation objects to a Wave window. Using dividers, groups, and color customization, you can customize the Wave window for better organization and identification of signals and buses in your design. Enhancements to Ruler, Cursor, and Measuring tool makes it easy to verify that signals and buzzes are asserting for the right amount of time during the right simulation time. New in ISim 12.1 is the ability to create tickled bash scripts for automated Wave window configurations. This feature allows the user to go from HDL compilation and elaboration straight into a GUI environment with a customized Wave window configuration. A list of useful GUI and other tickle commands is included in the ISim user guide, and more conveniently, in a friendly quick reference guide. Information about these helpful documents will be shared in the Help Resources section of this video. ISim provides a method for saving multiple wave configurations into different wave configuration files. You can use this feature to load a wave configuration at a different time, or use the multiple wave window feature to load multiple wave configurations within one simulation session. You can use multiple wave windows and different wave configurations for different levels of hierarchy. That way you don't have to scroll up and down a wave window. Simply click on the tab for the wave window of choice to review the other signals. ISim 12.1 introduces two new features that allow you to modify or force the values of simulation objects during simulation runtime. First, the new memory editor allows you to override the HDL assignments to two-dimensional arrays with user-specific data. This is useful when you like to change the value of test vectors or constants used in the design without needing to modify HDL or recompile the code. Second, the new force clock and force constant features allow you to easily override HDL assignments to other simulation objects, such as signals and buses. This feature is also useful to perform quick what-if analysis without modifying the HDL. For instance, you can observe what would happen to your design if a system reset is toggled at 20 microseconds for a certain amount of time. Or what would happen if the system's clock frequency is altered temporarily? Will the design behave as expected? There are many help resources available to you to learn more about features and techniques ISim provides for debugging and verifying Xilinx designs. These include a comprehensive user guide, a friendly quick reference guide with a list of compiler, engine, and GUI tickle commands and their usage syntax, a frequently asked questions document, an online help tool, an in-depth tutorial which takes you through all the steps for debugging and verifying a Xilinx design, and last but not least, the Xilinx discussion board for simulation and verification topics, where FPGA enthusiasts and Xilinx members alike share ideas and concepts associated with ISim and other simulator tools. Try the ISim Simulator today. Download the ISE Webpack or start a 30-day trial of an ISE Design Suite. Open one of the ISE example designs listed below and launch a behavioral or timing simulation using the provided test bench. You can also go through the ISim in-depth tutorial, which provides files and steps for simulating a design. An updated version of the tutorial will be made available in a future ISE Design Suite 12 release. Lastly, you can generate IP cores with the Core Generator tool that provide ISim batch scripts for simulation. Some example of IP cores that provide such scripts are the Spartan 6 GTP Wizard and Integrated Block for PCI Express cores. Thank you for your time.